Hello, Namaskar, Hola. Welcome to SRDPS classes. Classes where you learn, explore with fun. My name is Komal Jamni and I'll be teaching you second class English today. So we have decided today to take literature part. But before that, we must know what is our literature book name. Do you want to know? So the name of the book is Roots and Wings. I'll repeat. The name of the book is Roots and Wings. Do you want to try with me? Let's try. So what is our literature book name? Roots and Wings. Correct. So as we have already read the first chapter named A Fun Birthday Party, so today we'll be doing some of its exercise. I'll be showing how to do the exercise. So let's go.
So students, this is the homework of yours which I have given in the last class. So let's recapitulate it once. The first question is, tick the correct option. The first question is here, why is Rohan happy? The right answer for it is his birthday. So today is Rohan's birthday, that's why he is happy. The second question says, when do the family members wish Rohan happy birthday? So when he wake up early in the morning, so all the family member wished him in the morning only. So this is the right answer, in the morning. Everyone sings and claps when Rohan cuts the cake. That's correct. So this was your tick the correct option answer key. Now we'll be coming to the B part. Fill in the blanks with correct words from the bracket. You have to choose the correct word from the brackets and you have to fill them up. Now let's read the first. Dad gifts Rohan a, yes, the right answer is bat. Second, mom gives a cake to Rohan because it's his birthday. Third, grandma gets a dash for Rohan. What she get for Rohan? She gift him a plant. Fourth says, grandpa gives a dash to Rohan. So grandpa gift him a cute puppy. So the answer is puppy. B question is also done. Now C part I have already done. Students, in first class you have done matching with the lines, but in second class you have to learn how to do matching with the help of the numbers. Now let's see. See mom. What mom said? Mom says, let us all sing for Rohan. That's why we have put 1 here. Okay. Whereas second, what dad said? The dad said, let us all clap for him. That's why we have put here number 2. Whereas the grandma said, I got this plant for you. So we have written here 3. So this was the answer key for your homework. I hope you understood, and we'll be doing the next pages of the chapter now. So everyone, now we'll be doing grammar spotlight of the chapter. What is the topic? Grammar spotlight. So what we are going to read today, we are going to read about sentences. It is written here, read the following sentences. Read the following sentences. What the first sentence is? Rohan gets up in the morning. Rohan gets up in the morning. The second sentence is, all are very excited. Very happy, right? All are very excited. The third sentence is, Rohan opens all the gifts. The third sentence is, Rohan open all the gifts. And the fourth sentence is, who cuts the cake? So all the 4 sentences we have read. Now what is in this box? It is very important. Let us read it once, okay? See carefully. Remember, only a group of words that can make complete sense is called a sentence. So, a group of words which show the thought of a person who is speaking it is called a sentence. A sentence begins with a capital letter. So, are you seeing here? See, R in the third sentence, R in the second sentence, and W in the fourth sentence, all are starting with a capital letter. Now see the third one. Third one says when a sentence tell us something about somebody or something, we call it a statement. Okay, when a sentence tell us something about somebody or something, so we call it a statement. Sentences 1, 2, 3 given above are statements. That means this one sentence, Rohan gets up in the morning. The second sentence, all are very excited. And the third sentence, Rohan opens all the gifts. These all three sentences are the statements. Now let's read the fourth one. The fourth one says it ends with a full stop or a question mark. We are talking about the sentence. So a sentence either ends with a full stop or a question mark. The fifth sentence is a sentence that asks about something or somebody is a question sentence. Sentence 4 is a question sentence. We call it a question. So, here, see this fourth line, who cuts the cake? Okay, so it is a question. So now, what we have read before in this box, it's time to apply the knowledge. Let's do the A part. The A part says, tick the groups of words that are sentences and cross those which are not sentences. Okay, so we have to read it. If we found it's a sentence, we'll tick it, and if we didn't found it or it is not in a complete sense, we will cross out it. Let's start with the first one. In the morning. What in the morning? The meaning doesn't come out properly, so that means it is not a sentence. I will cross it out. Now let's read the second. Rohan gets up in the morning. Everything is cleared. Who gets up in the morning? Rohan. So it's a complete sentence and I'll tick mark it. Third one is Rohan has a. What? What Rohan has? So we didn't come to know complete answer from this line. That means it's not a sentence. So we will put cross here. Now the fourth one is all are. So all are what? Again, the complete sense didn't come out. That means it's not a sentence. The fourth one is dad gives him a bat. What dad gives him? A bat. And who gives him a bat? Dad. So this is a sentence. I hope I am clear to you. Now let's do the B part. The B part says, rearrange the given words to make sentences. Rearrange the given words to make sentences. Begin each sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. Okay, we have to write them again, and we have to start with a capital letter and we have to end it with a full stop. So, our first part is Rohan happy? I'm repeating, is Rohan happy? It is not giving any sense because it is not in the correct order. Let us write it in the correct order. But how? Let's take a hint. The hint says, find out the subject or noun. The hint says, find out the subject or noun. And the noun or the subject is Rohan. So, it will come like this. Rohan is happy. Rohan is happy. I am repeating again. Rohan is happy. I am writing it for you. The first letter will be capital. Rohan is happy. And a full stop. So, here come Rohan is happy. Now, let's do the second part. The second part says, is it birthday his? Is it birthday his? So, what will be the right sentence? Yes, I'll show you. With a capital letter, we will start. It is his birthday. Correct. So, the right line is, it is his birthday. Now, let's do the third part. Okay. So, the third part says, cuts cake Rohan da. Again, find out the noun or the subject. Yes, that's correct. It is Rohan. Rohan is the subject. So, we'll be writing Rohan cuts the cake and end with a full stop. Understood? The right order is Rohan cuts the cake. Now, what is the last one? A dog I have. A dog. So, what is the correct order for the fourth sentence? The correct order is, I have a dog. I have a dog. With I capital and a full stop at the last. So, students, memorize all these rules to attempt the question nicely in future. We'll be doing this much exercise only today.
So these were some parts of the exercise that I have shared with you. I hope you understood well and clearly. If you didn't, then check out this video one more time. Now I'll be taking leave from you. Bye bye. Thank you. Dhanyavad.